Today we'll talk about how can you change app language on your Hinge app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click your own photo profile down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to app language, click on it. So then you just switch into open video, and here can you select language here. So can you select your language, and here can you add language here. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for watching.